10 shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
So, as you guys can see, this Ram's seen better days. I don't think that's a paint job. Definitely seen better days. This right here looks like a lot of fun. It's like a roly-poly or whatever you would call them. It took me a second to understand this image, but the, like, wood is inside the truck. This guy, full sent in front of the cop. Cop's like, yep, I'm off for the day. Did not see that. It's just awful cloudy this afternoon. This is one good way to mark it, but you know this guy's wrists are hurting, his neck's hurting, because this dude's hitting this, like, hard. Like, I just want to know how many takes it took them to do this. Like, I'm not sure if they're trying to break it, test the durability, or like what, but whatever they're doing, I hope it works. Definitely hurt his wrist though. This makes me want to buy, this has to be a Honda. There's no way it's not. Definitely a Honda Accord. I mean, old BMWs have a special place in my heart. Turbos really add that extra love, if you ask me. I'm pretty sure this dude's got a mullet. It looks like can't get much better than that. It's just a little sick. Definitely has a problem there. It looks like he's in the middle of like radiator springs. Like, dude's SOL. This right here, I'm assuming truck died or something. Very unfortunate with what happens. Keep watching and you'll see. And no, this isn't like the same clip over and over. Like, it's insane to see how bad that truck's damaged off that hit. Hopefully nobody was in it. Definitely hope nobody's in it at this point. Super scary stuff. This Alex Choi's Lambo definitely looks like it caught on fire. This right here is like a whole new level of hotboxing a car. I've never seen a car hotbox itself. Definitely learning something new. And you would think a car smoking that bad, it's obviously a fire or about to be a fire. Like, push it outside and write it off. Like, you got a campfire inside your car now. This right here, a lot of questions, like cars coming beside you, why veer off and hit it? I guess because it's convertible, makes sense. I'd hit a convertible as well. Like, if I was convertible, I'd put myself out of misery too, and hopefully they get me a hardtop version. You know, the car's totaled. At least it still sounds sick, though. Like, if I ever get big money, a Porsche is definitely on the bucket list.
Le crash terrible de Sacha Botman. Le crash terrible. Bouge Sacha, bouge, c'est bon, il bouge. Sacha Botman va bien.
I like how a dude's like, yeah, I'm just gonna crawl out the window. I'm not gonna open my door.
Oui, a priori, Sacha qui était énervé, qui est parti au contact de Eric Mouet, safety car.
This has to be the most expensive pileup in like car racing history. Like, there's no way it's not.
Of damage here at the mighty Macau, and that is one of the worst GT accidents I've ever seen here. And in the place, the city that is a gamble, the lottery has absolutely come to an end. Right at the front of here.
Like, that's got to be well over $1 million in damage. If it's not, then I don't know what would be. It's like one of these cars are $1 million car. Like, I guess this guy forgot he's in real life and not his GTA server.
Yo!
I mean, that's one way to stop the dude.
Yo!
Like, I guess the cops were trying to take the keys out or something. Like,
What the fuck? You really let him get away from you? Dude, but he was putting everybody in danger, bro.
that's right. You don't shoot somebody like that, but you would think they would take their cop cars and park in front of them and stop him or something, and not just stand out on foot and like, hey, dude, could you stop? Hey, pull over. Like, dude's obviously not stopping or pulling over. And like, for this clip right here, it's like they don't got common sense. Like, it's just depressing to see the state of the human like common sense meter just drastically decrease. As if you was playing 2K and you miss like 6 shots, you're cold. This is also a very expensive damage lineup. You got the I think is a Bentley, then you got the Porsche. Well, what's next? Well, you can't get much worse than those two. I didn't think so. It's nice, but the other two are way worse. In fact, was a Bentley. It's like the Bentley and the Audi hit each other and then the Porsche hit them. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this brand new video. Until next time, peace out guys and girls.